John Conker stuff.
Never seen that before.
I really did mean that, mother. When I'm older, I'll abuse my children.